What's up everybody, this is Leo with Keyprint Co. And today we're going to show you guys how to make more money per order with printed hats. Let's go. So today we had an order for left chest pocket print on hoodies, and the customer wanted some matching hats to go along with the order. Now this would normally be pretty difficult to do on screen printing or with embroidery, but with DTG it's actually super easy, and we take the exact same artwork to print on the hats as well. So let me show you guys how we did that. One of the cool things about transportable platens is that it lets you load the apparel away from the machine, which means that normally you're doing this backwards and upside down. But with a transportable platen, you get to do it forward facing. And this makes it really easy to see if the apparel is centered and aligned straight. And then when you want to aim it for where the artwork is ultimately going to print, it makes it a lot easier to see when it's forward facing. Afterwards, you just take the hoop, you secure it into place, you lock it down, and then you simply lift the apparel up from one end, you unlock it from the bottom, and you transport it over your DTG machine. To place the artwork in Garment Creator, you want to start off by putting it on the 16x20 template. And the cool part is that the width is going to be exactly the same as our platen. But now to find the height, what you want to do is click center, and once the artwork is in the center, you count 5 boxes up. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes. And because our print is on a left chest pocket print, it's going to be over here in this area. So we're going to move the artwork over here, and we already know that the apparel is positioned accordingly. And once it's done, you hit print, and you're ready to go. So the cool thing about the adapter are these loading tracks. So even if you don't have clear visibility of where you're going, you just got to make sure you find them, drop it into place, and then lock it down, and you're ready to print. Alright, let's head back to the setup station, and we're going to show you guys how to print the exact same artwork on a hat. For a step-by-step instructional, click here on the screen and you can see exactly how we load a hat from beginning to end. But for now, we're going to take the exact same artwork that we printed for the left chest pocket print and print it here on this hat. Alright, now to position it for the hat, what we're going to do is we're going to switch to a 7x8 platen size. Then we're going to hit center to put the artwork directly in the middle. From here you want to go 2 inches up, which are 2 boxes. Make sure that the artwork is centered to that placement, and then you're ready to print. And just like that, guys, we DTG the left chest pocket print artwork directly onto the hat. Now this is a great way to make more money per order, but it's also a really cool service you can offer your customers that most print shops in your area probably can't even do. So with that said, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more videos of us decorating hats, click any of the videos up on the screen, and we'll catch you on the next one.